today we were out on my sister's Honda CRF100F. We're going to be shredding this little beast around the woods and just sort of doing a little honest thoughts, honest review of it really. See what we think of the old gal. Now as far as I know, this thing's mostly standard. The only things we've changed on it is the gearing really. Oh, noticing that now. So when my sister was learning on this bike, it's surprising how much torque it has. It's a peppy little one in first gear really. And in the wet that can lead to some interesting situations, to say the least. But it's still wheelies look. But we basically put I think it's actually a 16 tooth front sprocket on there or something. Just to like tame it a little bit for it to learn on basically. Oh Christ, I forgot how fun this thing was. Nobody tell her I'm doing this video because she's not here at the minute and I haven't actually asked her permission. But I'm sure she won't mind. Good for the little thing to get ridden around once in a while at least. Just feel a bit odd when you're used to a big bike. Alright, we ain't got the tyres for this apparently. Whoa, Christ! Okay, yeah, the tyres, not enduro tyres, put it that way. Do a little hill climb. Sick. No, this bike, absolute cracking little thing. Like, I think it's impossible to not have fun on it. It's just all round enjoyable, even as a full-sized adult. Yeah. We know the bearings are ruined. I'm not helping that now, but they're getting replaced next week anyway. We need to do full headstock and linkage. Wheel bearings, I think, are actually fine. Whoa! Okay, right. Whoa, whoa, God! Okay, I'm going to talk my sister into getting some better tyres for this thing because this is wild. Well, it likes to get loose, put it that way. And that's great when you want it. But I can think of a lot of times where you don't want it. Like riding 2 foot away from barbed wire like this, for example. A little bit unnerving. Well, I like that it's so small. You've got ample room to put your feet down when you need to, which is quite frequent on these tyres. Just stand up really, there we go. This sort of stuff scares me, just because the forks and everything are that like small. I don't like the idea of hitting logs with it, but oh no, she did it. Oh, it's shredded. Oh, what? My doubts were fully unjustified. Mate. Straight up the enduro hill climb. What a beast. Sounds meaty as well. For 100cc, this thing's like crisp. Stock exhaust. Okay, we're not going to hit that. We'll hit this again. No problems, no dramas. Let's do a route I've never done before. Uncharted territory on the CRF100. Oh, she just cruises. And this is with a tamer gearing, but like it is not lacking on power at all. Oh, Oh dear. There we go. Please don't snap. Please don't snap. Hey. Good as fucking new. Alright guys, as I was saying, plenty of power. It's not enough grip. Oh. Alright guys, this is now a desperate race to get home before we completely run out of the reserve. But all in all, long story short, absolutely fantastic bike. I couldn't recommend it more in terms of reliability and just pure versatility. It's so fun in so many different ways. If you're looking to get your young one or someone smaller a little bike to learn on, I'd say this is it. If you don't want to go spending stupid money and you want something simple and predictable, she'll still do the business in a fun way, not an intimidating way. And that's what you want at the end of the day, especially when you're starting out. It's all about fun. If you're not having fun, you're not going to progress. You're not going to want to keep doing it. And it's all going to be over pretty quickly. Alright guys, I know it was a brief one. Long story short, I love the bike. I hope the bike still loves me. I wonder why we're going so quick, we're in neutral.